We're going to take a look in this video at a linear equation in standard form, ax plus by equals c, when either a or b is 0. And in this example, we're going to graph x equal 4. Using that standard form of a linear equation, we can express an equivalent equation to the given x equal 4 by adding a 0 times y. This is where the b in that standard form ax plus by equals c is equal to 0. And we can see with that property of 0 there that no matter what number we choose for y, x will always equal 4. Let's find some points and see what this equation graphs into. So we're going to create a table with, for sure, all of the x values being 4, since no matter what the y value is, x will equal 4. Then choosing any number for the y coordinate, and here's some examples, could be any number, something perhaps smaller that we can graph conveniently, giving us the following ordered pairs. So to graph this equation using those points that we just found, and drawing a line through those plotted points, we see that we have a vertical line, and that any ordered pair of the form 4y, with y being any value, is going to be a solution to this equation. So the equation that we graphed, x equals 4, we find that the line is parallel to the y-axis and that we have an x-intercept of 4, 0.